back up! Get back! Get the fucking back! Get him in the car! Fuck! Put it in shot! Fuck! Get him in there! Legs in! Pull his pants up! Go, 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 go! What's your name? What is your name?
Jordan Helderman.
Okay, Jordan. What's your favorite style of beer?
What's beer, man? I don't drink beer. I like Sprite.
And he's lying. How experienced are you?
I like to say I'm very experienced.
Okay, and you ever have VIP cards at Fantasies?
All the time.
Interesting. Who is your least favorite PTM?
Well, that's easy. It's definitely Dustin Hermes.
Why?
Because this weekend we were at a party, and he was just all up on me, man. It was weird. I don't even understand why.
Oh. Well, we have to let this guy go. You can go. Wait. One more thing.
Got it?